What's going on? Hey, you on that big dog shit now.
Who is this little dude?
Man, what it do, gang? You know what I'm saying? You pulling up to a bike and car wash, you feel me? I got y'all on the tripod. Trying to make sure y'all sturdy type shit. This motherfucker gonna be feeling like it's sturdy. I'll check with y'all in a minute, man. I'm about to see what's going on over here. Man, we had to find me, man. I see the gang out here. Y'all see what's going on. What up, boss? What up, baby? What's up, brother? I ain't been out in a minute. She's sick right now. What up, Nita? What's up, sweetheart? Hey, it's Nita, baby.
What's up, baby?
What's going on? Came out to support, get that feel, you know.
You feel me?
I ain't been out. You seen on my snap, my shit's sick right now. I got it tore down right now. I'm gonna get it right though.
Okay, so you already know what it is. We got the speed demons of the crew. We already came up.
Speed demons up in here. Y'all already know how they do it. Got the gang out here. What up, boss? My shit a little bit unstable. We got some dope ass cars pulling up. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So we gonna get it going, you know what I mean? We got a little car wash going on. We got some dope ass cars pulling up. You know what I'm saying? Nita baby killing it. The whole gang out here. What up, bang? Got a YouTube channel, man. I see this motherfucker all the time. Hey, man, this motherfucker clean. Y'all see what these 8s? Y'all see him? Oh, hold on. Y'all see he got the purple in the inside, bro. Y'all see what he doing? And man, this purple hitting on this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that sticker? He just put some tires on here not too long ago. You know what I'm saying? And we got this motherfucker right here on there, Shanti. He's probably sitting on 8s. This motherfucker hard. You better know what that is right there.
Period, fool. 3 bullies all day, every day. Bitches in the house.
That's it. Y'all heard what she said.
That's it, tell him, sis.
Y'all see what she doing? She on that big dog shit now. Yes, ma'am. What up, baby? Yes. Yeah, getting that footage like always. I'm going out here to get in the car wash. Pulling the cars is out here getting the footage, you know what I'm saying? I like this motherfucker.
First was like, let's not get turned back. Now everybody
I see the rim on this motherfucker, man. I'm fucking with the color on this. I'm talking about guts all chromed out. G-body with the halos in there, bro. Y'all see what he doing. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? And that's the SS. It just ain't no regular Monte Carlo, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yeah, y'all see the lip on that motherfucker? Oh, let me back up so y'all can get a full picture. And y'all see he got the steering wheel to match. I can't go in there because I can't show y'all what he's doing, but he got the steering wheel to match. Hey, boss, I see you all the time. This motherfucker tough, bro. One of like only dope G bodies in the city, for real. That motherfucker smooth.
like what? Hey, hey. Okay, bully shit.
Y'all see the homies out here?
Bullies getting poppin'. Bully gang, like okay.
Need a baby getting food. You see it, man. We just out here having a good time, getting the cars washed, motherfucking smoking, chilling. You know what I'm saying? Getting the bubblies done on the bikes and stuff. We out here just vibing. You know what I'm saying? Somebody, Jordan was at the top of the car. I almost fell off that motherfucker. We're going there, yo. And he got the fresh red brake pads on this motherfucker. You see it? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all see it, man. His shit is saucy. I like that. I like that. I fuck with that. I really don't know how much longer I'm gonna stay out here, baby, but I'm out here. You know what I'm saying? It feels good outside, so we out here. I missed that burn. I'm trying to run over there and get the burn out. You know what I'm saying? Let me get the back of that shirt. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Giving y'all a little eye candy, you know what I'm saying? Just giving y'all a little eye candy.
It's just red and white.
Yes, sir. My boy pulled out the vet, drop top. All right, old school. Yes, sir. Hold up. My man. Yes, sir. What's going on? Yes, bro. Hey, what's up, baby?
It's been a long time.
Been a minute, man. She's
Right,
sick
right,
right now. I'm trying to get her right.
Sick, okay.
Yeah. Man, I'm glad I ain't seen her in a long time.
Man, I feel like that brought this motherfucker out.
Look, hey, you need to go get in line. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Harleys just be done right. I love that 10 seat. Yes, sir. Big old wheel on there. Hold on.
Some man, my nigga started 30 underneath this rocket, Russell Westbrook.
I got good stuff.
Man, y'all see this thing right here? This is nice. This is so different. It's like a deep green. Brush face chopping. Big gold face. Brush face. Ooh. This ain't chrome gold. This that brush gold, bro. She got the green gold girl over there.
You talking about the brake for the wheel? Yeah. Well, they got a brake for the wheel for this too, because that motherfucker be leaning down.
That boy AC in the building.
We rocking IR, baby.
I ain't seen my cousin in a minute. Gang, gang.
Like a piece of a good.
Big 12 come, I know where to stack. Shit, know I'm still riding with a rat. Shit, in the Billy know they praying that I crack. Shit, niggas fake broke, ain't never caught. Shit, nigga, broken all that, nigga. Stop playing, nigga.